Looking for a powerful, cheapest budget PC build under 15,000 rupees? Let's go! EVM H81JEL DDR3 Solid H81 chipset ready for 4th Gen Intel processors. The Intel Core i7-4790, 4 cores and 8 threads, still a beast for productivity and gaming. High-tech Hynix 16GB DDR3 RAM for smooth multitasking and great performance. And Esports IC120, a sleek 120mm fan to keep things chill and quiet. EVM 256GB NVMe SSD, blazing fast with read and write speeds. The Ant Value Eco 500 PSU, reliable 500 watts of power for all your components. Zebronics ZIUM mid-tower with RGB flare, acrylic side panel, and great airflow. Just 14,304. Incredible value. An amazing value gaming or work PC that punches way above its price. Like, share, and subscribe for more budget PC builds.